Today in this video, I'll show you how can you trim a video on TikTok. So after watching this video till the very end, you will learn how to exactly do that. So let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have your TikTok app updated, and then we go ahead and open it. Wait for it to fully load up, and once it does, tap on the plus button in the bottom of the screen right here. Once it takes you here, tap on this picture right here, so it will take you to your gallery. So import the video that you want to trim from your gallery. Tap on videos and select the video just like that. Let's say I want to select this one. I tap on it and then I tap right here in this button in the bottom. Wait for it to load up. Once it does, now tap right here in the top right corner. Then from here, finally, you can tap on the video and you can go ahead and trim it by swiping or sliding these barriers at the end and the beginning of this video. So just like that, I want it to be this long. That looks good. Now once I'm done, I'm gonna save the process or the video by tapping save in the top right corner right here. Just like that, I can go ahead and post it by tapping right here in the bottom right corner and create the post on TikTok. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.